Welcome guys, we're here with the Chargers rebuild. One of the ones that I feel like are the most interesting because they are really good this season. They made it to playoffs but barely. They're in a very hard division. So I think in general, this team is gonna be really hard to rebuild. But there's some key pieces I like: Justin Herbert, Liam McConkey. I think a whole new O line would be better. Defense, I'm okay with. I do kind of want a really good edge rusher. Um, I think I'm gonna try to get all that. We have $130 million, so I think we're gonna try to get Joey Bosa on a 2-year deal. He wants to come to the team, so I think that's a no-brainer. Um, Left guard, I think us getting somebody for a 2-year deal is perfect. That's what we need. Um, like I said, any O line helps. So if we can get an O lineman, I think I'm just gonna keep going down the line and just see who can play O line. Up guard we already got. Center, I think I'm just gonna leave. Right guard, definitely do need that help still. And then we can hopefully make some more moves. And I'm hoping that we got the whole O line. Nope. Minus our left tackle. We'll just sign somebody else. Or then Khalil Mack might be worth it, but I don't know, probably not. A Mike would be perfect for a 2-year deal. I love 2-year deals for this challenge. I think that's it. I think I'm just gonna go to the draft and see what we get. Obviously, we're not gonna have a high pick, so our goal is, I think this year they went all the way to. I think they lost in the first round, or they lost in the second round. I don't remember. So the goal is always to go be better. If we go be better, we're going to basically, we're not going to be able to touch the team at all. At all. We're going to put everything on auto. So that's what we actually changed now, is we're all going to be on auto. If we do better this time, our draft is on auto. And honestly, at that point, the draft doesn't matter. But trades, everything is on auto. So, because to me, that's like saying, okay, we built a really great team. So if they go 12-5, if they go in 12-5, we can't control them that season. We gotta go on auto. If they go into the conference championship, we can't control them. So it is kind of hard because you obviously do want to win, but you also don't want to. You also don't want to win too much. We just went 4-3, so we would basically have to win. We would only have 2 losses allowed. Honestly, we have a really hard division with the Chiefs, and I guess let me get how blessed the Chiefs are, because I'm about to be the Chiefs next rebuild actually. So tomorrow, if I get these out in time. But I do want to say I am very sorry. Ooh, we went 9-8. So we would basically have to go to the AFC Championship to even technically make this count towards. Okay, so we would have to win versus the Broncos. We win, we all go on autopilot. Okay. We don't. We lose 31-0. So we're gonna go sim to off season. So we still are in control. Hopefully everything's still looking good for this team. Dude, I just drank some cold water and I'm like, it's like 12:56 on Mother's Day. So like, I know I'm not gonna wake up early enough to like be the first one to wish my mom and everything. So just ooh, Derwin James coming back would be dope. But he wants a lot of money though. But hey, we have that money though. Luckily, we signed everybody to those deals, so hey, he wants to come back. Ooh, but we lost him. Low risk. That's a money item. Why do I feel like we just made the same mistake that I did last rebuild? We're like, so you didn't put the best team on there. No, they did. So that McConkey, I think, it's finally going into that role. Hopefully, I think us getting good corners would definitely help. So what I might try to do is find a team that has like really good corners, like a really good cornerback core, like the Bears, and just throwing money at them. And hopefully they budge, because if we get corners, dude, especially playing the Chiefs, like those being time of year, those corners are going to help us like crazy, dude. Like, yeah, I don't mind spending all that money on that. Like, honestly, like the draft doesn't even matter. Big spender. Sorry, I don't know if y'all can see the chat. I don't know if y'all get to see the achievement or not. Dude, I am going crazy, just so y'all know that. So, if we go 12-5, or we go, let me double check. NFL playoff bracket. So we'll go. Let's just go playoffs. So yeah, they lost in the first round. So we would basically have to make it to the divisional, and I think we did that. So technically, wait, did we? Yeah. So technically we won, but remember, if we win the Super Bowl, we get a double check mark. Because we won the Super Bowl with the Bengals and the Bills. And then Broncos, we were never. Where are we? I don't remember. So I haven't recorded videos in so long. Like, I'm basically trying to get like Dude, we didn't make the playoffs? Okay. That's crazy. But I want to finish my thought. So we're basically trying to think like Friday, like we're trying to get minimum 60 videos in a week. And then we have NFL, NFL, UFC, college football, WWE, and boxing. So I have 20 videos right there. So I'm trying to get basically 100 videos recorded. And then we have 2 point breakdown that I have to record another 30 videos for. So I'm trying to get 130 videos in a span of a week. Like I'm starting this on Sunday morning. On Mother's Day, I have to get this done by the 17th. By the 17th and during the day. And if I don't get videos. Because June, let me tell y'all, June, we're going crazy. Hey, I was going to stop this series, but we're already too far. Alright, stop yapping. We won that. We were close to getting double, but I don't know. I don't know what happened there. But I want to say thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.